Hey guys, how are you? I'm about to start my hockey class. Honestly, I've just started practicing this sport and it's awesome, right? But as always, let's play and learn English together. Today we're going to talk about object pronouns, but the indirect ones. Do you know what are they? The indirect object pronouns are shortcut words we use instead of repeating nouns and names in sentences. For example, Anna is my friend. I go with Anna to school. So instead, we'll say, Anna is my friend. I go with her to school. Got it? These are the object indirect pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, you, us, and them. So the challenge for today is to see if we can choose the right pronouns, okay? Let's go. First challenge. My friends are coming home. I am going to make a cake for my friends. How can we replace my friends with one of the pronouns? Okay, ready? Yeah. My friends are coming home, so I'm going to make them a cake. I'm going to make them a cake. Yes? Let's just try. Okay, hockey shot. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! We did it. Okay, second challenge. This is Susan's brother, Paul. He drives blank home. Okay. All right. This is a bit difficult for me, eh? Let's read carefully. This is Susan's brother, Paul. So he, Paul, right, drives Susan home, right? Yes. Again, which pronoun can refer to Susan? Got it. I think I know. It's her. Yes, it's her. So let's try with that. 1, 2, 3, her. Hey! No, what happened? Oh, come on. I know it was her, but it just touched him. No. Oh, do I have another chance? Okay, another shot. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Her, you're mine, eh? Her. Yeah! Got it! Okay, we are right. Third challenge. My brother and I are going to my grandpa's. They are cooking for blank. Concentration mode. What pronoun do I need? My brother and I are going to our grandpa's. They, my grandpas, are cooking for me. Oh wait, no. Me and my brother, right? I and my brother. So that is us. Yes. Am I right? Let's try with us. 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's go. U-S-O. Yes, I nailed it. Phew. And what's this? Oh, we got a trophy. How cool.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.